Hey friends, it's been about 5 months since my last recording. I'm a little bit nervous recording this. I feel like I've forgotten how to talk in front of the microphone, which I actually don't have a microphone right now. I'm recording through my MacBook Pro's mic. Find it easier this way. It's been a good summer. It's been easy. I've taken it very easy on myself. I've worked some. I've rested a lot more than usual. Worked on Block Static, which I started even before selling Claritask. So Claritask was sold in March, which feels like ages ago. And then it was clear to me after the sale what I wanted to do next. And Block Static has been really good for a change compared to everything I've done so far. It's been much easier to acquire users. I've I've done some Twitter marketing, not a whole lot, but people have been coming and registering, running their blogs. The current number of blogs that are running on Claritas, not the registered people, the actual people running their blogs, I think about 20, either close to 20 or maybe more. It's a bit around there. I really have to build up a dashboard where I have clear numbers of who's registering and who's running their blog through Blog Static, etc. But it's been really good. It's been a great lesson in so many different levels. The main difference being that Blog Static is sort of a B2C at the moment, even though I'm shooting for B2B at some point. But I'm dealing with one user, the blogger. With Claritask, I was dealing with different use cases. I was dealing with a project manager, a junior developer, maybe. Um, the I don't know, somebody that's not very sort of um, used to using project management tools, so you have to like adjust to all these use cases. And Claritask was a tool that should be used, while Block Static is sort of like an editor where people just write. There's nothing really to use there per se. So it's been much easier in that sense, and I really like it. I've been making websites since forever, and I always love the idea of a CMS of somebody controlling the content and then maybe manipulating the design through some sort of a dashboard. So that's been really good. Um, with this podcast, what I'm planning to do next is uh, at least I want to record a one episode per month. Not sure I can do it on weekly basis, even though I might, but I want to keep sort of a promise that I will do a once a month update. And if there's something that I have to say or there's something that has happened that is very interesting and it's useful to share, then I might do an episode in between those sort of monthly intervals. Just wanted this quick update. I'm fully on Block Static. I have some select clients that I don't want to give up because it's really fun working with them, especially with a film festival client that I have for about a couple of years now. And I'm doing some really cool stuff for them, from e-commerce to website to their POS, and now I'm building a whole new dashboard for managing their films and everything around their festival. So that is a lot of fun, and I'm learning a lot. So I'm keeping them. But Block Static is my primary focus at the moment, and I'm fully on it. And we'll be doing features. We'll be doing content. When I say content, we'll be blogging. I'm hoping some sort of podcast, etc. And yeah, something that really helps Block Static grow and bring more clients in, more users, improve the app as I go forward, because so far it has had more legs than any other thing that I've built so far. So I'm really excited about that, and I really want to see this through and see how far it can get. So yeah, I think that's a whole update for this episode, and I'm just gonna quickly look at my notes. And one thing I wanted to mention was that what has worked so far. One of the biggest things that has worked so far is moving slowly, sort of not being lazy about it, but just taking my time, being organized. looking at the tasks, reorganizing tasks, sorting through ideas, old ones, new ones, seeing what sticks. And whenever there's a need, moving sort of fast-ish. Whenever there's like a need for a feature that's maybe, requested, or I feel it could make a dent or improve my users' sort of experience. And yeah, so that has worked a lot, especially moving slowly part. I want to ramp up a bit since now kids are back in school and it's September. So up until Christmas, end of year, I want to keep delivering features, updating content, delivering content, and hopefully getting a lot of inbound leads that will help grow Claritask, not but block static. So yeah, thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.